In the day's other news, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration withdrew emergency approval for hospitals to use hydroxychloroquine to treat COVID-19. The FDA said that the malaria drug is unlikely to be effective against the coronavirus. President Trump has touted the medicine and defended it again today.
I can't complain about it. I took it for 2 weeks, and here we are. I took it, and I felt good about taking it. I don't know if it had an impact, but it certainly didn't hurt me.
Meanwhile, COVID infections continue to increase across much of the United States. Arizona, Texas, and Florida have reported surging case numbers. And Alabama's weekly case average is up 92%. At least 18 more states and Puerto Rico also report rising infections. Overseas, Chinese officials shut down Beijing's largest outdoor food market and ordered new testing after an outbreak of dozens of cases. In Russia, a Moscow court sentenced American Paul Whelan today to 16 years in prison on spying charges. The former U.S. Marine was arrested in December 2018 and has denied that he spied. U.S. officials called it a mockery of justice. We'll explore the case later in the program. The top two officials at the U.S. government-funded Voice of America have resigned amid clashes with President Trump. Amanda Bennett and her deputy director stepped down today. That came after the president charged that VOA's coronavirus coverage was too easy on China. Just last week, the Senate confirmed Mr. Trump's choice of conservative filmmaker Michael Pack to oversee VOA's parent organization. On Wall Street today, stocks slumped and then rallied after the Federal Reserve said that it will buy more corporate bonds. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 157 points to close at 25,763. It had been down 760 at one point. The Nasdaq rose 137 points, and the S&P 500 added 25. And next year's Academy Awards will be pushed back 2 months to April 25th, 2021, due to the pandemic. Today's announcement also extends the deadline for movies to be eligible through next February. Coronavirus shutdowns have slowed production and closed theaters nationwide. Still to come on the NewsHour, Minneapolis becomes a testing ground for a nationwide push to reallocate police funding. Why thousands are volunteering to be infected with COVID-19 in the search for a vaccine. 2 Americans are imprisoned overseas by autocratic governments, and much more.
This is the PBS NewsHour from WETA Studios in Washington and in the West from the Walter Cronkite School of Journalism at Arizona State University.